Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore the crucial differences between repair and maintenance in the manufacturing and production industry. We'll be discussing why these concepts are vital for your operational success and how our Asset Operations Management, or AOM, can optimize your approach. So, let's get started. In the world of manufacturing and production, there's a simple yet crucial distinction between repair and maintenance. It's the difference between being reactive and being proactive. Repair is the action taken after a component or machine breaks and needs to be restored to working condition. Maintenance, on the other hand, is the preemptive action taken to keep the asset working at optimal levels before any problems arise. So, what exactly sets repair and maintenance apart? Although they both aim to keep a company's assets up and running, the key difference lies in when these activities take place. The ideal scenario is regular inspection and maintenance of equipment, allowing an organization to catch problems before they occur. This minimizes downtime and expensive emergency actions. It's like following an oil change schedule for your car, which is usually recommended after a certain number of months or miles. However, if machinery is not properly maintained or encounters a problem during operation, a repair is required to restore the asset to good working condition. Efficient and quick repairs help minimize downtime and keep line workers productive during scheduled shifts. Let's explore repairs further. Repairs can be done at different points during a failure. For instance, an operator might notice a machine making an unusual noise or functioning slower than usual. The asset is still operational, just not performing at its peak. Repairs scheduled and completed during this phase can help a production line continue to operate before a major breakdown occurs. But if an asset is allowed to deteriorate or is used until it simply stops working, this can result in a much more major repair. This type of repair can be quite costly and may even bring into question whether a repair or complete replacement makes more sense. Plus, if no backup equipment exists, this type of repair can result in major downtime, unmet customer orders, and wasted labor resources. So, what about maintenance? Maintenance refers to several different types of activities designed to keep assets running at optimal levels. At one end of the spectrum, companies may choose to run certain assets to failure because it's not worth the effort or cost to maintain them. For example, it would be a waste of resources to inspect light bulbs through an office building or replace them before they burn out. Reactive or emergency maintenance occurs when a component or asset stops functioning or works poorly and requires a technician's attention. This is typically associated with the maintenance department. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is a proactive approach, scheduling tasks at regular intervals, such as changing HVAC filters each quarter, lubricating a motor every month, or inspecting components of a manufacturing asset once a year. Predictive maintenance is also proactive, but it bases the need for maintenance on particular triggers. For example, a commercial freezer or refrigerator must remain at certain temperatures. A sensor can be used to send an alert immediately if that temperature falls out of those ranges. So, how can Asset Operations Management, or AOM, help with repair and maintenance? UpKeep's AOM solution can help today's maintenance team optimize both repairs and maintenance. As a mobile-first tool, AOM puts work orders, inventory, and full asset lifecycle information at the fingertips of both management and technicians. Technicians can now access complete work orders on their mobile phones, including the individual who entered the order, photos detailing the problem, replacement parts and their availability, manufacturer's manuals and guides, and more. All these resources not only make it easier for the technician to do a complete and accurate job, but also makes it seamless to record all maintenance and tasks completed for future reference and analytics. In conclusion, while the terms maintenance and repairs are often used interchangeably, there are noticeable differences between the two. Understanding the role each plays within the maintenance continuum can help you keep your assets and equipment in top working condition. And employing a solution such as UpKeep's AOM can help you do so more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the key differences between repair and maintenance and how a tool like UpKeep's AOM can optimize your approach. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, understanding the role of repair and maintenance in your operations can make a significant difference in your operational success. Stay tuned for more from UpKeep.